Hello, everyone. My name is Manish Maheshwari. Essentially, the problem we are solving is that of a fragmented mentorship marketplace today. Millions of people, particularly in developing market, seek career advice and also academic guidance to improve their future. However, they reach out to people in a very fragmented way via WhatsApp, via phone calls, via emails. What we have built a web-based scalable mentorship platform, which connect mentors and mentees. It enables people to create a structured profiles with skills, rating, and reviews and feedback. And the UI is very simple with search filters and also a single click Google Calendar integration. So here I'm signing up. I can choose mentor or mentee since I'm having David Mellon sign up as a mentee. So that's what I'll do. So once I sign up, I come to the screen where I'm logged in as a mentee, and the user can complete or update their profile. So here is the profile. They can put their goal, they can save the profile. They come back to the screen. They can then click on find a mentor. This gives a list of all the mentors. They can do filter. So here I'm filtering by, say, maximum hourly rate of $50. I apply a filter and I get this list of people. I can, if I like someone based on the hourly rate and the rating, I can do a single click meeting schedule, which schedules a meeting on Google Calendar. I can come back. I can also view reviews. I had already given a review earlier, so I can edit my review. I can click on it. I can change the rating to 4, love his teaching style, and I can update review. And then I can go back to home. Here I log out. Let me log back in as a mentor. Log in as a mentor. I can also here complete my profile. I can put my bio. I can put my skills. I can and then I can change my hourly rates. For example, I can change my hourly rate to 50, save my profile saved. I can view the reviews I have received, all the reviews. I can go back to home, and then I can log out. The tech stack we are using is Python, Flask for backend framework. The architecture is modular and readable. App.py for application login DB setup, models for database logic, user and review, routes for authentication and review APIs. The design is very user experience focused. So there are role-based flows, custom user experience for mentors and mentees, advanced filters for skills rating and hourly rate, one review each based on mentor-mentee pair, flash messages for clear action confirmation, and Google Calendar for one-click meeting setup. Imagine a 17-year-old girl in India preparing for college. She can now set up a time with a mentor, someone from Harvard, maybe a student from Harvard who can give her guidance and give her the confidence that she can make it to Harvard. And that way we can really unlock her potential. So this is mentorship on demand, Uber for mentorship.